Okay, you're going to have to share probably. It'll be okay. All right. We're going to find the perpendicular bisector of all three sides, and then find the circumcenter, which is where all three of those intersect. And then we're going to circumscribe the triangle. You need a, Mr. Greenhorse, they could use a compass. Let's use proper words, because they will ask you this in the ACT.
I need a compass.
Okay. All right. So, we are going to take our compass. I'm going to label points slightly so that we can know the difference between them. We're going to look at A, B, C. Please label yours the same way, A, B, and C. We are looking at the back of the one that says perpendicular bisectors. The very last one, because you will have one just like this on your test tomorrow. I'm going to say that one more time. You will have one just like this on your test tomorrow. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our compass and put it more than halfway between A and B, but not the whole length of A and B. Then we're going to, leaving the pointy end on A, we're going to draw a big arc. Then we're going to pick it up. Okay, we're going to pick it up. We're going to put the pointy end on B, making sure it was the same length. Draw a big arc. Then we're going to connect those 2 points. Make a very long line. Let me know if you can't see what I'm doing on the board. Everybody see that line? Okay. If you've already done this, you might want to lend it to somebody else and let them try. Now I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to make I'm going to bisect the line between C and A. See, I'm going to put it on C. It's longer than halfway, but doesn't cover the whole thing. I'm going to draw a nice big arc. And then I'm going to turn it over. It's the same length. Pointy end on A. Nice big arc. Then I connect the lines. I connect my 2 intersecting arcs. Oop, mine was a little off. Okay. Then I'm going to go to CB. I'm going to make it so it's a little bit bigger with my pointy end on B. I'm going to draw a nice big arc. I'm going to switch it over, put the pointy end on C. Nice big arc. Then I'm going to draw a line that connects those 2 points. Okay, do we see where all 3 lines intersect right here? I'm going to take my pointy end. I'm going to put it on that point. I'm going to put my pencil on one of the vertices. And then I'm going to make a circle all the way around it. See that circle? No. You will have to do this on your own on the test tomorrow.
What?
So we need to.
Okay, do it again. Will you do it again?
Yeah. I was asked if I would do it again, so I'm going to do it one more time.
Thank you.
Here's a triangle. I'm going to label it A, B, and C. You're going to have to use one of the color pencils in your box. You just stick it in the compass. What do you mean? No, it'll just stick out. It's Okay. Alright, so I'm going to bisect AB. I'm going to set my compass so it's more than halfway. It's almost to B, but not quite. I'm going to draw a great big arc. Yep, I'm doing the same one over again. I was asked to do it again.
Wait. Slow down. Little pencil broke. Try.
Mr. Van Hersen, would you help Brittany with her pencil issue? Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing where I put it on A, where I put it on B. It's the same width, but I'm going to put it on B. Draw a big arc. Draw a line for their intersection. Done. So that's one. I've got to do two more. I like to move my paper. CA is at the bottom. I'm going to make it bigger than halfway. Oops. Draw a nice big arc. Switch it. Do it on the other side. Make my intersection. Okay. Then I'm going to bisect CB, making it bigger than halfway. Big arc. Switch it. Make a big arc. To my intersections. See where all three meet right here? You put it right there where they three meet. You set it to the vertices. And you circumscribe the triangle, make a nice circle all the way around it. For what? Right. Okay. Next, we're going to get out our angle bisector sheet. Go ask Mr. Van Hersen. Angle bisectors. I'm going to do number 2. So I'm on the angle bisector sheet. I will walk around and help you in a second. Okay, angle bisector. I put my pointy end on one of the angles. Draw a nice big arc. These 2 points right here are going to help me. I'm going to set my compass. This will be on your test tomorrow. I'm going to set my compass so it's a little bit smaller. I'm going to make an arc out here in the middle, putting my pointy end on one of those points, and then I'm going to put my pointy end on one of those points. See how it forms an X? I'm going to line up the center of the X with the vertices. Draw a line. I've bisected my triangle, my angle. You are going to have to, on your test tomorrow, bisect an angle and circumscribe a triangle. You have the rest of the hour to work on these. I'm going to walk around and help. Your homework tonight is page 148, 1 through 18. You need to finish these 2 worksheets by the end of the hour today.
Easy peasy.
Okay? Walking around.
What we have to do is that?
She arched it in there. She put it in the middle. Like, you see how she arched it and she arched it.
Michael, don't go anywhere. I'm going to put these in the computer, and then you're going to take it right back. Come back here. Michael Evans, come back over here. All I do is check them in. Don't walk away. Where's Professor Sharpie? Derek had it last time I checked. You have page 245. Okay, and you have 4.2.
Yeah, I didn't know that. I didn't know. I know. I did everything else.
Same. Got something?
Yes, please.
Where did you see it?
Everything?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a pile.
Oh, there's
there.
a 6.
Can
Oh,
you
I'm sorry.
Put them on top of it. I'm just Mr. It's like a mess. They'll be gone and I'll never see them again. Thank you.
I didn't even do it.
So.
But you don't get it.
One second, let me put in attendance. You can use mine, but I want it back. Don't lose that one.
That's what my stuff is weird.
Hey, excuse me?
Why would you do so? No, not that. No, what? That's the same. Oh.
Why don't instead?
That is just cold. Cold. Is not right.